What is up, everybody on YouTube? It is Untitled here with another review, and today's review is going to be on a Jordan 1 low. I don't even know the true colorway of this, but it's going to be the blue colorway. I don't rock lows at all, so you guys are in for a treat. This is actually going to be a shoe. Let me show you. I actually have two sizes. They come in this box. This Jordan 1 box is not the typical Jordan 1 box. It comes in this black box. But these right here, this right here is a size 10. I also do have a size 9.5. But what I'm going to do with this shoe is different. Now, if you guys do want to subscribe, I do post Monday and Thursdays, and considering posting Saturdays as well, and also some other content. But what I'm going to do with this in the near future is take this sole off and make my own Jordan 1 high. Not only that, but I'm going to take the remaining material from this shoe and hopefully make something dope, like a custom wallet or something else. I don't know. I'm going to try it. We'll see, but definitely follow my Instagram to see more of that, and definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel to see if I do complete that. I already have one sneaker build video on the way. I already did make my own. And then basically on this shoe, you can see everything is going to be a mixture of black, white, and blue. Mainly blue panels right here in the back, up collar, eye stay, all of that. So then the toe box is going to be white, and then the mud guard is going to be blue. Your midsole is going to be white, and then your outsole is going to be black. So it's a pretty nice colorway, let's be honest here. The back is pretty cool because it does have the Wings logo right there versus on the sides. So I'm hoping to figure out what I can do and use with that as well. You do have the Jumpman logo right here on the tongue, and then you do have black laces right there. And that's really about it. It retails for $90. I did pick this up off of Hibbett. Now, as far as sizing on this Jordan 1, always go your true size with Jordan 1s. You can go up half a size with sneaker shields or go down half a size if you'd like as well. But if you can, always try to go your true size. But enough for, ooh, dang, ooh, sheesh. Okay, enough talking. We're done with the review. It's time to get to the on feet. So let's jump into it. But I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, definitely subscribe. I do post Monday and Thursdays. If you guys want to keep up with me and see some more streetwear photos and sneakers and all that good stuff, follow my Instagram at @YoungMonAlberto. I do post daily, and yes, it is daily, sometimes twice a day. So I do grind out and put out good content for you guys. So definitely check out my Instagram. But I think that's it for me on this review and on feet. I'm not too sure if this is an MJ Monday or not, but whenever it is, guys, I hope you like this video. So stay fresh and stay fly. I'm out.